Hello, hello, hello. Today we have another repair. We have a HP model number 15SFQ. So what's the story with this laptop? Not backlight. You turn it on, the light comes on. I don't know if you can see the HP logo. Let's have a look. Maybe we are lucky. What this is laptop number 5. Maybe we are lucky and we have an easy repair today. No backlight. Can be a bad screen, bad cable, can be missing 19 volts or missing one of the 3.3 signals. Let's hope it's the 19 volt that is missing. Otherwise it's not nice. Customer said the laptop suddenly died. But we know that's not true, right? Okay. Let's open it up. Okay. Let's see. We have a big fuse in here. Let's see what voltage we have in on the connector. Okay, so we have this fuse in here. Oh man. So we do have voltage. This is probably minus. Okay, let's remove the battery. With the battery disconnected, let's check the other fuses in here. We have one in here. Good, good. Okay, let's remove this cable. Let's see. Is this okay? Anything in here? Nothing in here. Let's put it back. Okay. Let's connect back the battery. Let's have a look. Maybe it was just a frozen bias or something. No. Okay. So let's see. This is ground, right? No, this is not ground. Let's see what voltage we have on these pins. We have 3.3 in here, 3.3 on this fuse. Everything seems fine in here. Okay, let's have a look at the screen. You see this got already more difficult. Let's remove the screen. And this screen is glued. Nah, this is bad. Give me a second, let me remove the screen and I'll come back in a minute. Okay, so the frame is out. I think the problem might be the cable coming loose. You see in here, it looks like it's a little bit off. The problem is, in order to remove this, to check the cable, we need to remove the screen. I can see some pull tabs in here. Ah, man. Let's see. Just pull gently. One is coming out nice. Okay. The other one, I managed to get it. Okay, so the moment of truth. That's it. Doesn't look that bad. So it looks okay, yeah. Oh, let's check this out, man. What is this? You see this? Whoa. Let's see the cable. Ah, man, look at this. It's a cockroach or something. Ah, man, check this out. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. This is really bad. So this is the 19, right? Okay, let me make a little bit of sense in here. Let me take a photo for the customer. You know, this is not used. This is not used anymore. Okay, all this is gone. Okay. Okay. So we have together. Let's see. You see, there's no. These are not used in here. Okay. Let's see. This is bad. So let's see. Let's see what is this. Okay, so let's try something. Okay, let's connect the cable. Man, this is bad. Okay, let's connect this cable. All right. Now let's connect the cable. Wait, which one is it? It's this one. Right. Okay, let's connect this cable. Okay. Now let's make sure this is not ground. Okay, no ground. Let's cut these two wires. Okay. These are the two wires. That goes there. Right. Okay, let's see. Okay. So this goes like this. This goes like this. All right. So we have one. And we have two. First, I want to see what voltage we have in here. Let me do something. You see, it goes to this fuse. Okay. I think we can fix it. Okay. So let me connect a wire here. Perfect. Now let me cut a little bit more this, because we have 19 volts in here. Okay. I want to test it first. Now, let's isolate this a little bit. You know what I'm gonna do? I don't wanna connect the battery let me connect the power supply like this. We can also monitor the current, right? Okay, connected. Check this out. Okay, so our theory works fine. What we have to do now, make it nicer. Now what I'm gonna do, just to work better, I'm going to unplug this webcam. Okay. And let's see. And let's wait. What is wrong there? No. Let's cure this a little bit. Okay. Now. This is not coming out from here, right? I'm gonna use some Teflon. Tape. Just to be sure. We're gonna put this Teflon tape like this. Now we're gonna put this like this. And I'm gonna put a little bit more Teflon on top. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's connect this. Okay. Okay. Let's put a little bit of salt though. Perfect. Now let's cut this a little bit. We don't need that much. Now okay. Now I'm gonna cut a little more this. Okay. Now let's clean it a little bit. Put this in here. Like factory. I'm gonna put a little bit little bit of Teflon in here as well. Okay, so put it back. Nothing happening here, right? I still have to put the webcam. I'm gonna connect the power cable. No explosion. Let's press the power button. 85 milliamps, 850, 1 amp. Let's see if we got image. It's taking longer than usual because the battery is out and it's resetting the BIOS. You see, beautiful, like new. Now, let's see. Okay. Let me see if I put the webcam back in. Webcam cable is back in. Perfect. Now, this goes like this, right? And now, this goes like this. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Like this. Okay. This goes like that. Let me try it one more time. Before I do the screen. Let me get the glue. Okay. So it's working fine. Now we need to glue the screen. In order to glue the screen, we are going to use this double-sided tape, but I'm going to use double because this tape is not as thick as the original. Okay, so remove this old screen, old glue that is in here. Okay. Now. I just hope I don't have to take the screen out just to put this thing back on. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's put the battery in. Let's press the power button. It's coming on. Okay. Okay, while it's resetting the BIOS, let me put the battery in. Brightness is working. Laptop is working. I think Sam is going to be really happy. Let me put back the case. So I opened it up again because while I was connecting the back case, I felt the smell of burning, so I got a little bit worried. I removed the cover again, but it's from the original burn, right? So let's continue on our tour. Let me try it again just in case. Now, the problem with this laptop was no backlight. We checked the voltages on the laptop side and everything was fine. After that, we disassembled the screen and we found that on the screen side the 19 volts was burned, the screen connector is burned, the cable is burned. So we had two choices. Because the rest of the connector was fine, right? We cut the two wires that carries 19 volts to the connector, and we connect the cables directly onto the board before the fuse, and this way we kept the screen. We didn't have to replace the screen, and we didn't have to replace the cable. This way we saved quite a bit of money. Now, on top here we have two black cables, two black screws that goes through the hinge, and the rest are the silver ones. So why this go burn? We did find something that looks like organic material, let's say it, some kind of a little bug or something. While this little bug was just walking around the connector, suddenly got shocked. Keep in mind that 19 volts it's always present on the connector side. Okay, so we got everything connected. Let's see, pressing the power button, instantly it comes on, and if I connect the charger, 2.9 amps. We're having the charging light in there, all good. So if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye.